Well, I'm back. Well, I'm about to go head out to pick up a real nice car that I've been waiting for a long time. And I came across of it out of the blue. I was just surfing the web and then I came across of it. So it's a 2002 Mercedes AMG S55. It's the first engine, I believe, that is started on it. Um, it's not a supercharged, but hey, for AMG, I don't care what type of AMG it is. It's a nice car. So right now I'm about to head out. I got a truck and a trailer. I'm gonna head out right now to go ahead and go pick up the vehicle. So we'll get back with you in a second. So I'm heading over there right now to go pick it up right now. So I don't have a stand, so I can't be using my camera back and forth. So we'll see you in a minute. Made it back to this place. Let's see if I can. Where the car is, let's see what we have. I think it's over here somewhere. I don't see it here, but let's see. You can see, huh? You can see just fine. You can't see. Go to the other side. He's coming. You gotta go. Tell him to lower it down slowly. How about this side? To my side, yeah. Thank you. Your homeboy know what you're doing. Alright, did it. I should say that does it. Yeah, it's a little bit. He can see, I guess. He gonna try and yank it this way. That's good. That's good. You got it perfect. Now I just gotta tighten it down. Gracias. And it looks like whoever did this, they repainted it. They did a crappy ass job. See? Oh, painted here. They did a lot of crappy ass stuff in here.